Before the heavy lifting, manufacturing relies on a little master data that keeps everything organized, categories to group items, work centers for where jobs happen, and step templates to save you retyping common operations. Let us set up one of each. First, item categories. We open it and add one. We name it spices and additives, nest it under raw materials as a subcategory, describe it, and set a default VAT rate of 7.5% that items in this category will inherit. Next, work centers, the places where production steps happen. We add one. We call it the Quality Control Lab, give its location, and a short description of what happens there. Finally, step templates, reusable production steps you can drop into any routing. We create one for a quality check. We name the template, give the operation it represents, a description and work instructions, mark it as labor, point it at our new quality control lab, and set how long it takes, half an hour. Now this step can be reused in any recipe with one click. That is the master data, a category to group items, a work center for where work is done, and a reusable step template. Small things, but they keep your manufacturing tidy and save time on every recipe and routing you build.